Today I will be unboxing and showing you my hot air brush. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me this airbrush so I could give you my full and honest review. So today I'm actually going to be testing out, see how it works. As you can see, it has holes all around the brush, so that gives you a 360-degree ventilation. So it's going to allow your hair to dry faster and produce volume through, as you could see here, I'll give you a close-up. It has shorter bristles, so those are going to help give you that lifted volume at the roots. The longer bristles are nylon bristles that massage the scalp and are anti-scald, so it's not burning with the heat. This one's actually bigger than any of the round hairbrushes that I've had. So as you can see, it is pretty large. It is actually, although it is large, it is not very heavy. It is actually pretty lightweight. I do like that it has different heat settings. So it has high, low, and cool. So you're going to get your hot air, your warm, and your cool air. The great thing about this brush is that it is basically a 4-in-1. So you could blow dry your hair, you could go ahead and straighten your hair, you could go ahead and curl your hair, and it's also a hair comb. So you could use it as a comb, so it'll help you comb out your hair. So let's go ahead and test it out. This is a quick time lapse of me blow drying my whole hair. I went ahead and sectioned it off. The round brush really helped my hair blow dry quickly, and I also love that it's styled during the process. I am done fully blow drying my hair. I absolutely love the way that this blew dry my hair. It was actually super quick to blow dry my whole hair. I absolutely love that the air comes out through all sides, so it made it super duper fast. One of my favorite features definitely has to be the cooling feature. I went ahead and started off with the hot, and as soon as I started going towards the bottom and my ends, I went ahead and added the cooling feature. So I went ahead and cooled it, and I definitely feel that it added that extra volume on my hair. But overall, if you're looking for a good round brush that is a blow dryer, I would definitely recommend.